Okay, let's look at this limit. Now, sometimes uh, there are problems where we should not apply L'Hopital's rule. This is one of them. The reason is we cannot apply L'Hopital's rule here because it does not satisfy the assumptions of the rule. Why? Because if we plug in 1 here, we get 1 over ln1 is 0. So this is 1 over 0, right? This is not 0 over 0 where we can use L'Hopital's rule. Okay, so this is L'Hopital's rule cannot be used here. So for this one, we just note that the numerator is going to plus 1, and if we approach 1 from right, this is going to 0 from right, and this limit is basically plus infinity. Okay, so but what happens if we apply the L'Hopital rule mistakenly? If we apply L'Hopital's rule mistakenly, we get the wrong result. So the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of ln is 1 over x, and so this is L'Hopital's rule, and this is the real answer. Okay, so we have to be careful about this.